Hello students, today I am going to explain to you the method of preparation of alcohols from alkenes using diborane. Okay, I am Nilkan Sheth teaching chemistry. Okay, so now see how we can prepare alcohol from alkenes. So from alkenes and diborane. Diborane. What is diborane? Diborane is B2H6. This can be written as BH3 twice. Now over here you can see the valence of boron is what? 3. That you just stick upon BH3. Now let us take one example here. Suppose say you have an alkene which is CH2 double bond CH2. This is say ethene. So when you treat ethene with diborane, I will write it as like this BH3 twice so that you can know the valency of boron here is 3. Now what will happen? This hydrogen from here will add to one carbon, boron will add to another carbon, and double bond become single bond. So you will get like this CH3 followed CH2 becomes CH3. Single bond CH2, and I said boron is added to one carbon. So now since the valence of boron is 3, I will write the entire part here as 3. This is called a triethyl borane. Okay. Now balance, since this is B2, therefore we'll balance it by putting here what? 2. When I put this 2, the whole thing becomes 6 here. So this is 6. Now see whether the equation is balanced so far. So far I have not prepared alcohol. Only I have shown the step. Now what happened here? See, this is 6 to the 12. 12, 6 to the 12. 12, 12, 24. How? It is actually, you can say also 4. 4 into 6, 24. And this is what 6. Total 30 this side. This side you can see 3 plus 2, 5. 5 into 3, 15. 15 to the 30. So equation is balanced. Now what done? At this stage, it is subjected to oxidation. Oxidation by using hydrogen peroxide in presence of NaOH. Therefore, this reaction is also called hydroboration oxidation. We can say also, okay, let's write it later. So now what happens, see, H2O2 is OH and OH. H2O2, OH, OH, single bond. So this OH from here will take the place of boron. And therefore what we'll get here, the compound will be CH3CH2OH. Okay, plus you will get along with that boric acid, H3BO3. Now only for the explanation part, I have shown this. That this is a byproduct, so not important. What is important is this. Now since this is 6 here, I will have to make this as 6. And what is the boron over here? 2. Therefore this should be twice. Okay, the equation will be balanced, of course, along with this here, hydrogen peroxide. Now this will be ethanol. Okay, the yield obtained by this method is very high. Diborane method, the product is found to be very high. Okay, means it is excellent product obtained. Now what happens? Suppose say you have an alkene, which is, let's take the example of ethene, propene, CH3CH, double bond CH2. This was ethene. Now this I take propene. Propene treated with BH3 twice. Okay, what I will get from here? Again, hydrogen from here will add over here, and boron will add over here. So in this case, the addition takes place according to anti-Markovnikov rule, and therefore you will get here CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2, the whole thing 3 times, whole thing what? 3 times with B over here. Okay. Now this will be tripropyl borane. What will be obtained here? Tripropyl, N-propyl borane. Okay. Now when you treat this with what? Hydrogen peroxide oxidation. So oxidation of it by using H2O2 and NaOH. What do you remember here? That this boron will be removed and what will go there is OH. And therefore the product formed will be here in this case will be CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Balanced by putting here what 6. Just expand this and just check the video. Okay. Now this will be here balanced by putting twice, and this is what here 6 times. Okay. Now what you observe here in this case, say the alkene is unsymmetrical. This is propene, unsymmetrical alkene or unsymmetrical alkene. The product is always primary. So you get N-propyl alcohol, primary. N-propyl alcohol. Now what is the observation? Using alkene and diborane, you will end up with primary alcohol. So otherwise earlier case means by using water, you can see that reaction will give you what primary, secondary and tertiary. But here whatever alkene unsymmetrical, it also goes toward primary. Okay. Now let us take one more example I will give. Suppose say your alkene works like this. Let us say that the alkene is, which is isopropene. Okay, isopropene, which is CH3CH. Let us say it is CH3 double bond CH2. This is called as isopropene. If you take this isopropene, okay. Now if you just treat this isopropene with diborane, we can write this reaction in shortcut method also. Diborane B2H6 hydrogen peroxide and NaOH. Okay, oxidation, hydroboration, oxidation trigger. Oxidation is hydroboration, oxidation, NaOH. The product will be what here is CH3, CH, CH2OH. Okay, this is how you get the product CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Now this will be also what alcohol? Primary alcohol, which is, although it looked to be tertiary, remember students feel that this is tertiary, it is not tertiary, it is primary alcohol. So the product over here will be 2-methyl to methyl 1, 2, 3. So 2-methyl prop 1 all. 2-methyl propan 1. So any alkene you take, you will end up with always what? Primary alcohol. Okay. So remember this reaction. Go through it for the methods of preparation of alcohol. Now question is, master, how will you convert propene into N-propyl alcohol or isopropene into isobutyl alcohol? This is also named as isobutyl alcohol, and remember this is primary alcohol. Okay, all right. So